Is the quality filter not working properly on the X app? If you are still seeing unwanted notifications, low quality, or irrelevant interactions, or the filter isn't being applied correctly, this can make your X experience frustrating. In this video, I will show you how to fix quality filter on X app. The first thing you have to do is to go to X app. Then here in this page, you will go to this window of profile. Then you will go to settings. Here in this window, you will click on notifications, and here we'll go to filters, and after that you will find here quality filters, so you will tap to enable it. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.